I'm not sure how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to try to explain painting your 3D printed projects. Now, I use Apple Barrel. Sorry for the. It's Apple Barrel acrylic paint. I don't prime my projects. I just, if I feel they need a second coat, then I go over them again, and sometimes even a third time. But I'm painting this right now, if you can see it, and I don't think it's come out too bad. I painted this in a solid red, the whole thing, and I painted the roof white, the sash black. But what I'm trying to say is you just use acrylic paint, and some of my paintbrushes I will show you. I cut the bristles off of them. You see this paintbrush? It's half the bristles are gone. That's for smaller, more tedious areas like his collar and his hands. And then my brushes, I just use the ones from Walmart. I don't use anything special. They're throwawayable or disposable. I don't dispose of them until they're really bad. So, but the Apple Barrel acrylic paint I got from Walmart too. It's a 25 pack, and it came with a lot of different colors that are extremely useful. That there, I made my own skin tone color. Put it in a plastic bag, and I just kind of dip in there. Anyway, if you have more questions about painting your 3D prints, just let me know, and I'll try to answer them.